Hello, mathematicians. It's Professor Paws. Today we are outside a shoe store. Shoes come in pairs, one for your left foot and one for your right foot. And today we are going to use shoes to learn about something important in math. We are learning about even numbers and odd numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer our essential question. How are even numbers and odd numbers different? Let's go find out. We're going inside. Look at the shoes on the bench. Now count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now watch carefully. We are going to make pairs. These two make a pair. Here's another pair. And here's one more pair. Do we have any shoes left alone? No. When we can make pairs and no shoe is left by itself, the number is called even. Say it with me. Even numbers have no leftovers. We had 6 shoes. Nothing was left over. So 6 is an even number. Let's try another number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's make pairs. These two go together. And these two go together. Oh no! One shoe is left alone. When we make pairs and one object is left over, the number is called odd. Say it with me. Odd numbers have one left over. We had 5 shoes. One shoe was left alone. So 5 is an odd number. Let's try another example. How many shoes do we have? 8. Can we make pairs? Yes. Are any shoes left alone? No. So 8 is an even number. Let's look at another number. How many shoes do we have? 9. Let's make pairs. Are any shoes left alone? Yes. One shoe is left by itself. So 9 is an odd number. Look for a pattern. 1, odd. 2, even. 3, odd. 4, even. 5, odd. 6, even. Do you notice something? Odd and even numbers take turns. Odd, even, odd, even. They keep switching. Here's a quick trick. If a number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it's even. If a number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, it's odd. So, how are even and odd numbers different? Even numbers can be grouped into equal pairs, have no leftovers. Odd numbers cannot be grouped into equal pairs, have one left alone. That is the difference. Great job, mathematicians. See you next time. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.